Hey, Alexandria. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney. And do you have a bold idea? Well, we're here to help you. Here in this city, this awesome city where the patent center, the patent office is, you've got this sort of obligation to be an inventor. And this is the home of the USPTO, if you didn't know that. There's a dense concentration of patent attorneys, examiners, and IP firms right here in this city. But know that Bold Patents, well, nationwide, federally backed, boutique is here just for you, the individual inventor, the everyday inventor in all of you. And we're close to the whole capital of the country, major tech, government innovation, defense, cybersecurity, advanced tech. This city is ripe. And I know you've got those great ideas. We're here to help with patent searching, application drafting, prosecution, as well as infringement concerns. So book a free discovery call right here on this page and get started with us today. I'm excited to help you here in Alexandria and wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.